Alright, so the Pixel Watch 4 is about to go official, but thanks to fresh leaks from Evan Blass, we've basically got a front row seat to Google's next big smartwatch. It's expected to debut alongside the Pixel 10 series at the Made by Google event on August 20th, though word is it might not actually hit shelves until October 9th. Yeah, a bit of a wait. These leaked promo shots are peak Google, clean, polished, and if history's anything to go by, probably dead on to the final product. At first glance, the design sticks to that signature domed glass look, but a closer look shows a few upgrades hiding in plain sight. From these images, a lot of the recent rumors are now basically confirmed. The Pixel Watch 4 is coming in two sizes, with slimmer bezels, a brighter display, and what looks like a slightly thicker body, likely to fit a bigger battery. Flip it over and you'll notice the charging pins are gone. Yep, Google's moving to a quick charging dock setup at the heart of the Watch 4. We get ECG, SpO2 breathing rate, HRV, plus leaked features like skin temperature tracking, stress detection, and advanced sleep tracking that can even detect snoring. On the fitness side, you're looking at auto workout detection, 40+ exercise modes, built-in GPS, and 5 ATM water resistance. The LTE model comes with 2 years of free data on Google Fi Wireless, but keep in mind, no calling. It's data only for things like music streaming, messaging, and navigation. Voice service would still need its own plan. The software side looks familiar. Google Wallet, Google Maps, Google Assistant, and message replies are all still here. Safety mode is also in the mix. Fall detection, trusted contact alerts, emergency SOS, and a quick access medical ID for first responders. Under the hood, leaks point to the Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chip for smoother performance and better efficiency. In that bigger battery, reports say the 45mm model could push up to 40 hours and 40mm up to 30 hours with the always-on display running. So, no radical redesign, but all the right upgrades: slimmer bezels, brighter screen, bigger battery, better health tracking, and cleaner charging. August 20th is the big reveal, but we might be waiting until October 9th to actually strap one on. That's it for this one. Peace.